has issued a flash flood warning for Saline County, Illinois, until 6:45 p.m. At 3:43 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Harrisburg, El Dorado, Galatia, Carrier Mills, Raleigh, Stone Fort, and Muddy. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following county: Saline, Illinois. The National